Hello everyone, and welcome to Maxon headquarters in Switzerland. Today, we would like to introduce our latest products. This is the new ECX Speed 8-pin variant. Its elegant and compact electrical connection is an expansion of the established ECX Speed 8 motors. For more compact integration into systems like medical devices, the new pin connection offers additional possibilities. It also allows easier handling, for example, cleaning purposes. Furthermore, it can be seen as a concept design for implant applications. By the way, all Maxon X drives can be selected and configured online and are ready for shipping in just 11 working days. Here, you see the first ECX 32 flat motor with the new inductive MILE encoder. The ENX MILE 32 is the first MILE encoder in the size of 32 millimeters and offers an impressive resolution and accuracy. It is integrated directly into the motor and enables an extremely short drive unit. Dirt is no problem for the resilient encoder with inverse signals, and neither are magnetic or electric fields. With the new Micromax 6, Maxon offers a small and compact multi-axis controller with real-time capability for multi-axis synchronization. And for the first time, a Bluetooth Low Energy option is available for the motion controller. The freely programmable motion controller without power stages autonomously controls 1 to 6 axes and has 2 independent CAN interfaces, as well as an Ethernet interface. In addition, the powerful Micromax 6 motion controller also communicates with a higher level system to handle axis coordination. Also, when it comes to torque, Maxon has some interesting innovations to present. Here you can see a combination of the powerful industrial drive IDX 56 with the GB28 worm gear from Parvalux. Or here, the even stronger IDX 70 with Maxon's new and online configurable GPX 70 planetary gearhead. After successful market launch of the EC frameless DT50 motor in 2021, first projects using it have been realized. One example is a 6-axis robot, commutated with the TSX MAG encoder and controlled by E+4 positioning controllers. A Maxon TSX Rio 19-bit output encoder ensures perfect positioning. For new applications with even higher output torque requirements, the EC frameless DT85 motor will be launched in early 2023. By the way, Maxon has successfully passed the BIS-C certification of encoders with absolute sensor signal and BIS-C interface. Of course, there are many other new products available. For detailed information, check out our website, maxongroup.com. If you have any questions or need more information, your local Maxon consultant will be happy to be of assistance. And don't forget, keep moving.